Welcome back to Carnova, the channel where we bring you the boldest, most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. Today, we're talking about a truck that doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck is here, and trust me, you have never seen anything like this before. Stay with me, because this beast is about to blow your mind. When you hear the name Caterpillar, you think of massive construction machines tearing through mountains. But what happens when Cat decides to build a pickup truck for the road? You get the most aggressive, most powerful, most unstoppable truck ever conceived. The 2026 Cat pickup truck is not just a vehicle, it is a statement. Let's break it all down. Let's start with what you can see, and trust me, you can't miss this truck. The 2026 Cat pickup comes in that iconic construction yellow finish, and it looks absolutely menacing. The front fascia is brutally squared off with a massive black grille stamped with the bold Cat logo right in the center, just like their heavy machinery. The body is tall, wide, and built like a fortress. Massive off-road tires sit on black aggressive rims, giving it insane ground clearance. Black fender flares, chunky side steps, and a reinforced steel bumper complete the look. This truck doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Every panel, every edge screams power and dominance. Now step inside and you'll be surprised. Despite its rugged exterior, the cabin of the 2026 Cat pickup is refined and spacious. It features a large touchscreen infotainment system, premium leather seating with Cat logo stitching, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The crew cab layout gives you generous rear legroom, perfect for families or work sites. You get premium sound insulation, climate control, wireless charging, and even a built-in action camera system for off-road trails. It's tough on the outside, comfortable on the inside. Exactly what a modern work truck should be. Now the part everyone's been waiting for, what's under the hood. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck is powered by a monstrous 6L turbocharged diesel engine, yes, a Cat-engineered diesel, producing a thundering 500 horsepower and an earth-shaking 1,100 Nm of torque. It's paired with a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic transmission and full four-wheel drive with locking differentials. This truck can tow up to 18,000 pounds and carries a payload of over 3,500 pounds. Whether you're on a muddy construction site or a rocky mountain trail, this truck simply does not stop. So how much does this beast cost? The 2026 Cat pickup truck starts at approximately $89,000 USD for the base trim, going up to $115,000 for the fully loaded top-spec variant. Yes, it's a premium price, but for what you're getting, it's absolutely worth every dollar. Why should you buy this truck? Simple. No other vehicle on the market gives you this combination of Cat-grade durability, raw diesel power, modern luxury, and pure road presence. If you want a truck that works as hard as you do and still looks incredible doing it, the 2026 Cat pickup is your answer. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a Carnova video. Drop a comment below, would you buy the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck? I'll see you in the next one.